Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola One Vision, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's go into the settings, and from here scroll all the way down to System, where once you tap on Advanced you should see Reset options, and then choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. And you can see it provides you with everything that will remove, so your Google account, system app data and settings, and downloaded apps. So it removes everything apart from all the apps that came preloaded on the device. And once you're ready, you can tap on Erase All Data, and simply wait for the process to finish. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.